news! Okay si baby sa loob. Joke lang. Whole abdomen ultrasound lang to. So today, I went to High Precision Diagnostics Clinic for my ultrasound. Madali lang siyang hanapin kasi accessible siya and malapit sa known landmarks in the area. Pagpasok ko, super na-impress ako. Malinis, maaliwalas, and organized yung system nila. Kaya in less than 30 minutes, yes, 30 minutes, tapos na agad ako. While waiting, I got to check out the reception, releasing section, ECG room, ultrasound room, X-ray room, and even blood extraction area. Maayos ang setup. Every section clean and functional, kaya comfortable yung whole experience. Nag-fill out lang ako ng details that inassist ako ni Kuya papunta sa water station since need ng full bladder for the procedure. So ayun, inom tubig malala muna tayo. After a few minutes, ready na ako. Here's the actual ultrasound process. Mabilis lang and very smooth. Plus the staff were really accommodating kaya hindi ka kakabahan. This procedure helps detect any hidden issues sa loob ng tiyan, like liver, kidney, or other organ concerns, so you can take care of your health early. Honestly, kung may 30 minutes in your time, consider mo rin na ipa-check up ang loob ng katawan mo. Super worth it talaga. After the procedure, tinuro sa akin how to get my results, and ito yung pinaka-convenient part. You don't have to wait long kasi available siya online. They'll guide you step by step kung paano i-check. Super dali lang. Pwede na umuwi after procedure kasi you can check it pag nasa bahay ka na. So if you have 30 minutes, use it for your health. Don't wait for symptoms. You can do this at High Precision Diagnostics Clinic. Quick, safe, and reliable.